Here's a SVL75-3 with 93, 94 hours on it. Big time warranty on it. Hydraulic disconnect. It is a high flow machine. Enclosed cab, air conditioning, heat, radio, backup camera. We just got it in. It does have the high flow with the cage drain and the 14 plug electric. It's got a tooth bucket on it. It'd be a tooth or a smooth bucket. Very, very nice. Jay, go ahead and let's crank it up. It's pretty cold out here. It's been snowing and all. Well, I forgot to do inside there, but we'll do it when we get up there. High flow machine. Okay, Jake. Be careful when you do that, you threw mud on all this. Hydraulic disconnect. It's got 94.1 hour. Very nice. Just like a new one. Big time warranty on it, KUBOTA warranty.